Hi guys, it's Jeff here, the Photographer's Mentor, and in this video I just want to talk to you about something that I've started using quite a bit, and it's really worked. It's created quite a bit of an impact, especially for the clients who ask me questions. Now, have you ever used the LinkedIn voice clip? Now the LinkedIn voice clip, if you're looking on your mobile, you will see like a little microphone thing when you go into your messaging, and you can leave a message for somebody for 59 seconds. Okay, so it's a bit like the Facebook Messenger. Now what I found really useful about this is I do get a lot of inquiries. I do get inundated with messages on a daily basis. Now I do give away free tips and advice. That's what I do. I've built my brand by being honest and by being genuine with people and giving people free tips and advice without trying to sell them to come onto my program, right? So obviously it's time taken to type stuff up. So what I do is I'll go and look at somebody's Facebook profile, or I'll look at their website, or I'll look at their LinkedIn profile, and when they've asked me a question, I'll message them back and say, yeah, I would recommend you do this. And also on your LinkedIn profile, I would recommend that in your summary you put this and you change that, and then just give them a load of free information. It takes me 59 seconds to do. And most people are totally blown away by this, because most people don't even know that this thing exists. They don't even use it. Now imagine if you have somebody asking and inquiring about your services, and then you can get back to them and say, hi Dave, or hi Jen, fantastic to hear from you. I thought I'd record you this little voice clip because I can give you a lot more information and a much better personal response. So what I would recommend is, for your photography, I would do this, that, and then you can start asking them questions, engaging with them. They'll be quite shocked when they hear your voice, because most people don't do it, and it really works. It's so personal, and honestly, it's gone down a treat for me. So I would recommend you try it out. Give it a go. If you start to mess up on it, which I have done loads of times, right? The amount of times I record videos like this, and then I start blabbing on and go, and start it again. Well, you can do exactly the same. So you hold the button down and you start recording, and if you make a mess of it, you can just leave go of it and ask you if you want to send or delete. And basically you cancel it and then redo it again. So don't worry, you're not going to send something with a load of mistakes on. You're only going to send it when you're totally happy with it. So give it a go. Let me know how it works for you. As I say, a lot of you might not even know that it's there, but it really works. It's very powerful. And remember, LinkedIn is all about building relationships, building networks, and communicating with your ideal clients. And what better way to do it with a really nice personalized message, not selling too much, giving them some advice, giving them some information, recommending something for them, and hopefully then they come back to you to start talking about your products and your services. So remember, this initial inquiry message, you want to be as helpful as you can. You don't want to start selling, you don't want to start mentioning price unless they mention price first. So hope you found it useful. I'll look forward to seeing you in the next video. If you have any comments, or you want to drop me a message about anything, feel free to do so. If you're interested in taking your business to the next level and you're interested in my program, drop me a message. I'll probably leave you a little voice message back, and I'll send you some information out. Anyway, thanks again guys, and take care.